What's your name?
Daniel Saint.
Where are you from, Daniel?
I'm from Morpeth, which is just north of Newcastle upon Tyne.
Yeah, Sherilyn.
Quite, yeah.
Yeah.
Shovel.
So
Big
what?
fan of your shovel.
So what are you here to do today, Daniel?
I'm here to sing, and I've been doing it for a long time now, and I think I'm ready to make my mark now, because I'm 18 years old now, and I think this is about the right age to make me mark and make me stand up and do this, actually get out the house and fucking do it.
Right, okay. Just whenever you're ready.
I'm singing The Climb.
Right, whenever you're ready.
I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach it. If I'm taken, move I make, feels I'm lost with no direction, but if it's shaking, now I keep trying. Keep my head held high.
You did it.
There's only gonna be another mountain. I'm always gonna wanna make it a move. Sometimes I'm gonna have to lose. Ain't about how fast I get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's the climb.
Hey, just know the words.
As I'm facing, as I'm shaking, time's gonna reach down. I'm gonna be. I may not know this romance, but
Just stop and rinse him. I want to go on Facebook.
Let's keep
Gently take it off my finger.
There's gonna be an uphill battle. You wanna make it move. There's gonna be another battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. And about what's waiting on the edge. But it's a climb. Yeah. An uphill battle. We're gonna wanna make it a move. Gonna want an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. An uphill battle. Gonna get a move. It's gonna be an uphill battle. Sometimes you're gonna have to lose. You're gonna get there. Ain't about what's waiting on the other side. It's climb. Look at this. Black and white through and through. Gonna have to lose.
Ready for anything?
It's a climb.
Stop it. Right, well,
Oh, please.
that was bloody dreadful.
Excuse me. No,
That was fucking
honestly,
horrible.
I know, but like that was just like my first attempt in such a massive audience like this.
The three of it?
I know, but I can do it again. I'll do another song for you if I've got to.
What song?
I can do it however.
What song?
Anything.
Like what?
Oh my god.
No.
Di, can you sing something around the lines of "Die in Your Arms Tonight"?
Well, I would do, but like, my nana's just broke it the other week and she's looking, she broke the eye in my arms, yes. Honestly.
The other week, how long ago was it?
Cheryl, please. Oh, we a man.
What about
you
The World's
other
Greatest
week,
by R. Kelly?
No, you say the other week, but how long ago was it actually?
4 years, actually.
Absolutely dreadful.
But how we a man, honestly. Oh, please. Oh,
Daniel,
please,
who are you living with at the moment?
me mum.
She's got to be so ashamed of you.
Everyone is, I just want to be my fucking chance. I just want to do it, man. I'm a fucking phone singer. I'm a phone singer.
well, you know, I'm sorry, it's a no.
I get it.
It's a no. No.
Do it, man. I'm singing that song.
Wait, can you sing Man in the Mirror?
The man in the mirror, where are you?
Wait, just
I am the
no,
man in the mirror.
Wait, just no music, just sing. No music.
I sing music because
No.
I sing a fucking spank.
Man in the Mirror.
Right, go.
Man.
This is for you, Louis.
Ow!
Right, come on, stop it right there, please. Come on, stop it.
It's a no.
Right,
It's a no.
It's a no.
It's a no.
It's a no.
Dreadful.
no.
Absolutely dreadful.
Basically, a proper assumption of you, like, altogether is shit.
I tell you what, like Simon. Come on, if that's my town, that is right, and we'll batter you, like Simon.
No, well,
Posh
you
squad.
No.
Oh, what Simon? What are you do?
No,
Yeah, I was Simon. Get up off your desk.
Julie.